Good morning, students. Today we'll start oogenesis. The process of formation of a mature female gamete is called oogenesis, which is markedly different from spermatogenesis. Oogenesis is initiated during the embryonic development stage when a couple of million gametic mother cells, that is oogonia, are formed within each fetal ovary. No more oogonia are formed and added after birth. These cells starts division and enter into prophase 1 of the meiotic division and get temporarily arrested at that stage, called primary oocyte. Each primary oocyte then gets surrounded by a layer of granulosa cells and is called primary follicle. A large number of these follicles degenerate during the phase from birth to puberty. Therefore, at puberty, only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. The primary follicles get surrounded by more layer of granulosa cells and a new theca are called secondary follicles. The secondary follicle soon transform into a tertiary follicle, which is characterized by a fluid-filled cavity called antrum. The theca layer is organized into an inner theca interna and the outer theca externa. It is important to draw your attention that it is at this stage that primary oocytes within the tertiary follicles grows in size and completes its first meiotic division. It is an unequal division resulting in the formation of large haploid secondary oocytes and tiny first polar body. The secondary oocytes retain bulk of the nutrient rich cytoplasm of the primary oocyte. At present, the tertiary follicle further changes into the mature follicle or Graafian follicle. The secondary oocytes forms a new membrane called zona pellucida surrounding it. The Graafian follicles now ruptures to release the secondary oocytes, that is ovum, from the ovary by the process of ovulation. Now see the menstrual cycle and fertilization. The reproductive cycle in the female primates, means monkeys, apes and the human beings, is called menstrual cycle. The first menstrual begins at puberty and is called menarche. In human females, menstruation is repeated at an average interval of about 28 to 29 days, and the cycle of events starting from the menstruation till the next one is called menstrual cycle. One ovum is released during the middle of each menstrual cycle. The major events of the menstrual cycles are shown in the figure. The cycle starts with the menstrual phase when menstrual flow occurs and it lasts for 3 to 5 days. The menstrual flow results due to the breakdown of endometrial lining of the uterus and its blood vessels, which form liquid that comes out through vagina. Menstruation only occurs if the released ovum is not fertilized. Lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy. However, it may also be caused due to some other underlying cause like stress, poor health, etc. The menstrual phase is followed by the follicular phase. During this phase, the primary follicle in the ovary grow to become fully mature Graafian follicle, and simultaneously the endometrium of uterus regenerates through proliferation. These changes in the ovary and the uterus are induced by changes in the levels of pituitary and ovarian hormones. The secretion of gonadotropins, that is LH and FSH, increases gradually during the follicular phase. Stimulates follicular development as well as secretion of estrogen by the growing follicles. Both LH and FSH attain a peak level in the middle of cycle, about 14 days. Rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during the mid-cycle, called LH surge, induces rupture of Graafian follicle and thereby the release of ovum, that is ovulation. The ovulation, that is ovulatory phase, is followed by the luteal phase, during which the remaining parts of the Graafian follicle transform as the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum secretes the large amounts of progesterone, which is essential for maintenance of the endometrium. Such an endometrium is necessary for implantation of the fertilized ovum and other events of pregnancy. During pregnancy, all events of the menstrual cycle stops and there is no menstruation. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates. This causes disintegration of the endometrium, leading to the menstruation, marking a new cycle. In human beings, menstrual cycles ceases around 50 years of age, that is termed as menopause. Cyclic menstruation is an indicator of normal reproductive phase and extends between menarche and menopause.